Hi, this is SmartDesigner Technical Service team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the 3D drape mode in your picture or image. When you open SmartDesigner program, you click on File and go to Create Image and make sure to select Drape Image Full Colors and OK. You can also apply white color to your background, and now let's go import the image. Click on File, Import Image, and now we can select this image. So our goal is to change the bedsheet color. And if you look at our image list, we have some beautiful colors we would like to apply on this bedsheet. So first and foremost, we need to start defining the outline. So by defining the outline, we can click on Define Panel and start defining the outline.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received.
Let's define the dimension. So we click on Define Dimension and we can now draw a straight line. You can also give the pixels like maybe 10. So these pixels are the edges, okay? How you want the edges to look, softer or harder. So let's say we give it 10, but you can give it random number you want, but I chose 10 because I feel it's good. So once you're done, you click OK. And now we can apply grind, but before we apply grind, why this dialog box came out is because we have not yet completed the panel. So what do I mean by completing the panel? We need to right click and click on complete current panel. This means that you are done defining the outline and now you would want to go to another process. So once you click on complete current panel, this red outline shows, means you are done completing the outline. So now you can now apply grind to your image and come here and click on add vertical control line and horizontal. So now let's adjust the grind properly so that the colors and the patterns can fit in properly to your image. Okay, you can also add notes by right clicking and adding notes. You can also delete by pressing control. You can also delete by pressing delete on your keyboard. And I think we are done adjusting the grind, and you can now preview the grind. So this is how it's going to be applied. This is how the colors are going to be applied in your bird sheets. And let's apply drape object. So we need to cancel the grind, and now we can come over to these colors and patterns we have here, and now we can apply drape object to the bedsheet. Okay, so we have applied the drape object, but it looks like this wasn't applied very well, the grind, so let's do it one more time. So now let's apply drape object. Okay, I think it's now better. So here are some tools. Here are the tools of the drape object. So you can easily reduce the size of the drape object to look like this, or you can make it darker or lighter. So it all depends on what you want. You can also contrast, and you can also lessen the contrast, okay? Like this or like this. Okay, so this is how it's going to look in all of your in all of the colors you applied. This is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look like this. and like this. Okay, this is how it's gonna look, like this. Over to the pillows. So you just need to go back to define panel, and now you can start defining the outline of the pillows.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never
Click OK, and now we can now click on the color and also click on the dimension, and like I said, you can choose any random number you want, and make sure you right click and make sure you click on complete current panel, and now you can apply grind to it. Okay, you can also, since it's facing up, then you can also apply, and you can start adjusting. Okay, you can start adjusting and adding notes to it. Okay, and you can now apply the vertical control line and horizontal control line to your pillow. Okay, this makes it looks good and better when the drape object is applied. So you can add more nodes if you want. And once you're done, you then show grind. I think it's okay like this. Okay, now we are done and we can now apply drape object. So this is how the drape object is going to look like this, and let's move over to the next pillow, and we click on define panel and come over to the next pillow, and we can start defining the outline. Okay,
we're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no
okay, now we are done. We click OK, and you you just need to follow the same process, like defining the dimension, make it 10, and make sure you click complete current panel. Um, just the same process. Okay, nothing has changed. So you just do the same process to every of the object you would want to apply drape. Okay, so let's delete this. We don't need this. And now you can now adjust the grind. Okay, adjust grind. Okay, okay, I think that's it. And this, add nodes. So it's just basically the same process you go through, and also you can show grind to see how, if it's properly done, if it's properly applied. And once you're done, you just come over and apply the drape object, and that's it. You can also apply the drape objects to this place and also to the box. So let's apply drape object.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I
Once you're done, you click OK. Okay, we are done applying the outline, and basically we just have to follow Same step, okay? Click draw a line and okay. And now you can now complete current panel, and you can now apply the grind, okay? Can now
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not.
okay. So we are done with the bed. Now let's move over to the box. So you click on it and click on define panel and start defining the outline of the box. So it's basically the same process you go through.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Okay.
I'm happy in your company.
So now we are done. We can now apply drape object. Okay. So this is how to apply drape object to your image, and now you can adjust the grind. Okay. It's just the same process. Okay. So now we are done. We can now apply drape object. Okay. So this is how to apply drape object to your image or picture. You can also give it another one. Okay. You can also give it another color. Okay. Or this color, drape objects. So you can give it any color you would like, and once you're done you can now compare. Okay. So let's compare. Okay, drape object, and let's save this. Okay, so let's compare. So let's open a new page and compare. Okay, let's import the original. So this is the original, this is the original, and this is the drape object we applied. Copy, and this is the drape object. Okay, this is the drape object, and this is another drape object we applied. You have to say copy, and so you can see how if effective drape 3D drape mode can look like in your image. So it's quite good. Let's add one more. Okay, so this is how to apply 3D drape in your image, and thank you for watching. And if you would like to try our software, you can email us via sa@okmodern.com. Thank you for